It's not how much we give, but how much love we put into giving. A great quote by Mother Teresa. Hi, this is Wanny Huynh. Welcome to Win with Wanny. I want to start this new year, new decade, off by talking about the power of giving. Since we're on the topic of giving, if you stick around to the end of this video, I will give you a free gift. Be sure to stick around to claim your gift. Let's get on with today's video. The power of giving had great rewards. Not only will you feel good about yourself, but the freedom of giving, the joy you get from seeing those lives which you have helped shape is rewarding. You don't have to give in the form of money or material good. Giving can be as simple as smiling at a stranger as you walk down the street. You can donate your time, you can volunteer in your community. Giving time is the most rewarding experience. During my high school years, I volunteered every year to serve food and homeless shelter, and that was rewarding for me. Giving back inspires us to shape our hearts and soul. It's not all about the money, it's all about the time and the state of mind when we give that is important. Together, we can build a stronger community. How can you give back? Start by volunteering a little bit of your time to a cause you believe in. Give back to your local nonprofit organization and helping those who's in need. If you are a web designer, you could create a new website for your organization for free. You can also donate food and supply to the homeless. I volunteer to speak twice a month at a local nonprofit organization. Giving my time is rewarding in itself, but it's also something I enjoy doing. Plus, I learn along the way, and it also allowed me to meet and network with other people as well. When I travel to the third world country, I would bring 2 large suitcases full of clothes and electronic goods. And when I return, the only thing that I have left is just the clothes on my back. I would donate and give the rest away. What you give out will return tenfold. Invest by giving now. Each giving day will compound and multiply back to you. The greatest reward is seeing someone else's happiness because it becomes your happiness. Find time to volunteer at your local community. Be a big brother or sister. Give to a reputable charity. Donate new or used clothes to Goodwill. I make a significant contribution to Goodwill once a year. Remember, what you will give will come back to you tenfold. You want to smile? Start smiling. If you want to be happy, find ways to make others happy. That is it for today. Thank you for sticking around. To claim your free gift of my book, if you believe it, you can achieve it. I link a description below. Just go to the description and follow the instruction to get your free copy. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I wish you much success for the new year, and I'll talk to you soon.